Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is ADOM and how to create ADOM in Fortimanager. Then we'll see how to add this firewall in that ADOM. Okay. Fortimanager ADOM called administrative domain. ADOM is a virtual concept. We can separate firewall based on geographical location, based on versions. Suppose my firewall version 6.2 and the firewall version 7.2. So I cannot add both firewall in same add-on. We have to create separate add-on, one add-on for this firewall. We have to create add-on. And suppose we have 7.2 this firewall, we have to add this firewall in same add-on, and we can add, but we cannot add this firewall in this add-on. Okay, you can see we have a three firewall: USA location, UK location, and India location. So we'll create three add-on: USA, USA, UK, and India. And okay, then we'll add this firewall to USA ADOM, this firewall to UK ADOM, and this firewall to India ADOM. Okay, in the Fortimanager. And also there is a feature. Suppose we have an admin account, admin user, and test user. So will in the add-on there is a feature we can assign these two add-on to admin account, and we can assign this add-on to test add-on. So test user cannot access this add-on. Okay, use add-on in the feature there. Okay, so let's create how to create it. So friends, first of all, let's log in to the Fortimanager. Fortimanager. Currently we don't have any add-on here. Okay, let me show you. So you can see we have only root add-on. We don't have any add-on here. Okay, go to add-on, all add-on. So you can see it's a default root add-on. When we will add any firewall, it will by default added to root add-on. Okay, so first of all, to create add-on, so you can see this is my dashboard of the Fortimanager. Okay, to first of all we have to enable add-on administrative domain from here. Okay, or we can enable from here, enable add-on. Okay, now login again. Now you can see it's showing root and global database. You can create here add-on. First let's log into root add-on. Now go to system setting. Now we can create, go to all add-on, then we can create add-on from here. Okay, also we can disable add-on. Okay, now click here to create add-on. Now give the name of the add-on like USA add-on fortiget. What is our version? 7.0. Okay, my firewall version, let me show you my firewall version. My firewall version 7.09, 7.09, and 7.09 will create. We cannot add a firewall into add-on. Okay, or a firewall only can be part of single add-on. Description you can provide, use a location group. Okay, now select mode is normal, central management. So in the normal mode you can select if you want to manage and configure FortiGate device from the Fortimanager, and you can select backup mode if you want to backup the FortiGate configuration to Fortimanager. Okay, only for backup manage. It's for only configuration, backup, and manage the device. Okay, now we can select a default device selection to install, select all. Okay, so policy, perform policy check before we reinstall. Yes, we can. So we are not going to enable this option. Auto push policy, we're not going to, auto push policy will be disabled. Okay, if you have a device, then if you can select device to add in this add-on. Okay, currently we don't have any device. Okay, So now click on OK. Now it's creating ADOM, USA ADOM. Okay. You can see ADOM is USA ADOM is created here. Okay. So you can see we have two ADOM, USA and root. Now create another ADOM, UK. Okay. UK group. Then select normal, select all, disable. We don't have any device. So friends, before going to create third add-on, just we can add this device. Okay, let's add this device. Now friends, if you want to add this FortiGate firewall to USA add-on, so just click here, go to device manager and select here USA add-on. Now click on add device, discover device, legacy method, IP address of device. My IP address of device is 192.168.100.100. 192.168.100.100. Okay. Username admin, password admin. Okay. Next. Now you can see description here. We can add description. Our UC firewall you can see. Okay. Standalone. Now click on next. Now to manage policy and object of device, we need to import that. Okay. It will import policies and objects. Click here import. Import policy package. Select here import policy package. Click in. Then your policy package name will be root. You say firewall under the root. You can unselect this, add mapping to all energy device. Okay. Now click on next. Now you can see new object added. Duplicate this. Now click on next. Three policies added here. Now click on finish. So friends, you can see firewall added, UC firewall added, and synchronized. Okay. Policy packages. You can see policy package USA. You can see go to policy package, policy and objects. So you can see USA firewall objects here. Policy package there, USA firewall root and device manager. Okay. Now, now we can add this. Okay. Now we can add India firewall too. Okay. We have not created any add-on for India firewall. So let's see. Uh, we'll add in root add-on. Okay. We'll add in root because we don't have any add-on for the India. Add device, discover 192.168.1.205. Admin. Next. Okay. So let me show you why it's getting failed. Okay. So log into the India firewall. You can see we haven't selected here FMG. We have to select here FMG access. Then click on OK. Oh, sorry. It's here 100. 205. Okay, now click next. Now click here to import now. Import, select here import policy package. Now you can see policy package name will be underscore root. Now you have to select here, unselect it. Now click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. So we have added India firewall. Okay. So it's added in root add-on. You can see. So you can see only in root add-on we have a one firewall, and in USA add-on we have one firewall. So what we will do, go to settings and we'll create new add-on for India. Okay. Now friends, so we have already added device for India add-on. So we can select here from here. Now select it India. Okay. Now click here to add add-on. Now click on OK. Select it. Now click on OK. Click on OK. So start. So you can see we have created. Now go to India add-on. Here you can see India add-on is here. Now go to device. So you can see our India firewall is there. Okay. So policy never installed here. So what we have to do? We have to import here. So we have to import configuration. Click here import configuration policy package. Import. So you can see policy package added imported here. Okay. So friends, in this video we have seen how to create ADOM. We have seen what is ADOM and how to create ADOM and how to assign firewall to ADOM. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.